Number 1. 1978 Dodge D200, $800, Lolo, Montana. This 1978 Dodge D200 is a 3/4-ton camper special powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Finished in brown with a clean title, it shows 103,000 miles, though the odometer and speedometer are inoperative. Described as running well, it offers an affordable entry into classic Mopar truck ownership and would suit a usable project or restoration foundation at its attractive asking price in Lolo, Montana. Number 2. 1975 Ford XLT 250, $3,500, Fort Collins, Colorado. Offered at $3,500 in Fort Collins, Colorado, this 1975 Ford XLT 250 is equipped with a 460 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission driving the rear wheels. The odometer reads 82,000 miles, though it is believed to have rolled over once, suggesting approximately 182,000 miles. As part of Ford's respected F-Series heavy-duty lineup, the F250 of this era is appreciated for its rugged frame and strong big block performance. Finished in white with a clean title, this truck is described as decent and drivable, used periodically by the owner. While it needs work to reach its full potential, the strong-running 460 V8 and classic 70s styling make it a compelling restoration candidate or reliable vintage hauler. Number 3. 1960 Chevrolet shortbed stepside, $3,500, Chico, California. This 1960 Chevrolet shortbed stepside pickup is listed at $3,500 in Chico, California. Equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission, it represents one of the most iconic body styles of early Chevrolet C-Series trucks. The stepside configuration, with its separate rear fenders and compact bed, is especially desirable among collectors. The truck is described as a super solid project with new tires, minimal rust, and an appealing natural patina. With a clean title and no back fees, this example provides an excellent starting point for a restoration or custom build. Early 1960s Chevrolet trucks are valued for their simple mechanical layout and strong aftermarket support, making this a promising classic project. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet C30 light-duty tow truck, $5,000, Sierra Vista, Arizona. Located in Sierra Vista, Arizona, this 1978 Chevrolet C30 tow truck is powered by a V8 engine and 3-speed manual transmission with granny low and working power takeoff. It retains an operational Holmes wrecker body and runs and drives, though the odometer has rolled over. A unique square body project with commercial heritage. Number 5. 1983 Ford F250, $3,950, Portland, Oregon. This 1983 Ford F250 in Portland, Oregon is powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Priced at $3,950, it shows 52,713 verified original miles, confirmed through the vehicle identification number. Finished in brown with a clean title, the truck remains largely stock and is described as exceptionally solid. The interior is in excellent condition with minor cosmetic flaws, and the body is straight and free from dents. Recent maintenance includes a new muffler, tires, and battery, though the brake booster requires replacement. Early 1980s Ford F-Series trucks are known for their durability and straightforward mechanics, and this low-mileage example represents strong value in Portland, Oregon. Number 6. 1983 Ford F100, $4,200, Fort Smith, Arkansas. Offered at $4,200 in Fort Smith, Arkansas, this 1983 Ford F100 features an inline 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 34,286 miles and carrying a clean title, it is described as running and driving well with no known mechanical issues. The inline 6 engines used in Ford trucks of this era are respected for longevity, smooth operation, and fuel efficiency compared to larger V8 options. As one of the final years of the F100 designation before the model was phased out in favor of the F150, this truck holds historical significance within the Ford lineup. It presents as a straightforward, usable, classic pickup. Now number 7. 1941 Dodge WC, $8,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1941 Dodge WC half-ton flatbed is listed at $8,500. Featuring a 6-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, manual transmission, and original drivetrain, it runs well and retains a live power takeoff system, a rare military-based platform with strong collector appeal. Number 8. 1975 Ford Courier, $500, Nederland, Colorado. Located in Nederland, Colorado, this 1975 Ford Courier is priced at just $500. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission with rear-wheel drive, it is described as previously running and driving, but currently needing a timing belt replacement. The odometer is inoperative, and the truck carries a clean title. The Ford Courier of the 1970s was a compact pickup developed during the fuel-conscious era, valued today for its simplicity and lightweight design. At this price point, it represents an inexpensive project opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a small classic truck with vintage character. Number 9. 1955 Dodge Pickup, $14,900, Valley Springs, California. Offered at $14,900, this 1955 Dodge pickup features a 440 cubic inch V8, 727 automatic transmission, and extensive upgrades including Crown Victoria front suspension and modernized components. With approximately 1,500 miles since completion, it blends classic styling with modern performance. Number 10. 1954 GMC Classic Truck, $9,500, San Jose, California. Listed at $9,500, this 1954 GMC pickup is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and Hydramatic automatic transmission, showing 63,290 miles with original documentation. It starts with starter fluid and is best considered a project vehicle, offering a solid restoration foundation.